The title for this video is Galvanic Cell. This video included 3 contents, which is our definition of galvanic cell, principle of galvanic cell, and difference between galvanic and electrolytic cell. Galvanic cell is an electrochemical cell that converts the chemical energy of spontaneous redox reactions into electrical energy. It is introduced as a tool for studying the thermodynamic properties. A simple galvanic cell may contain only one electrolyte separated by a semi-porous membrane, while a more complex version involves 2 separate half cells connected by a salt bridge. The salt bridge contains an inert electrolyte whose ions will diffuse into the separate half cells to balance the building charges at the electrodes. A galvanic cell can be constructed by using zinc and copper. The anode is a zinc electrode placed into zinc sulfate solution. The cathode is a copper electrode placed into copper to sulfate solution. The solutions are connected by a porous sodium chloride salt bridge that prevents the 2 solutions from mixing but allows ions to migrate. Connect them by a wire and electrons flow from zinc to copper. Since zinc is a more reactive metal than copper, it is more likely to lose electron. Thus, the zinc electrode is oxidized, producing a zinc ion and 2 electrons per zinc atom. Copper ions in solution gain 2 electrons and are reduced to copper metal. As the reaction continues, excess positive ions build up in the zinc solution. At the same time, the loss of copper ions from the copper sulfate solution created an excess of negative sulfate ions. Positive sodium ions migrate into the copper to sulfate solution from the salt bridge, while negative chloride ions migrate from the salt bridge to the zinc solution and maintain neutrality of the solution. The reaction stops when zinc electrode or copper ions are depleted. The overall cell reaction can be written like this. There are some differences between galvanic cell and electrolytic cell. Galvanic cell converts chemical energy to electrical energy, while electrolytic cell converts electrical energy to chemical energy. In galvanic cell, the redox reactions are spontaneous, while in electrolytic cell, the redox reactions are non-spontaneous and it occurs when energy is supplied. Besides, the cathode is placed at positive terminal in galvanic cell and anode is placed at negative terminal. However, the situation is the opposite for electrolytic cell. Finally, galvanic cell do not require external voltage source, while electrolytic cell required external voltage source to drive the non-spontaneous redox reaction. Thanks for watching.